Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete account on Pinterest. Now this is irreversible, so if you want to go ahead and do that, make sure you take that into account. And I'm already logged into my account, as you can see, right? And all you need to do is this. So from your home page here on the left panel, come here all the way down, you'll see more options, basically the settings cog. Click on this and then I want you to click on settings. Okay. Now here, I want you to go ahead and click on account management, the second option. And if you scroll down here, you'll see the activation and deletion section. So what we're going to do, we're going to click on a delete account. This will permanently delete your data and everything that is associated with your account. Everything at all, comments, anything. So click on delete account and then they will give you this prompt right here, right? And just click on continue. Basically, everything will be gone. They're just making sure you understand that. And this is for which profile we're deleting. This is the associated email. They'll send you an email with the final step. So just click on continue. You can tell them why you're leaving, right? You can just put anything here. Doesn't really matter. Just go ahead and click on send email. Okay. And there we go. We are now being deactivated and the account is getting deleted as soon as we go ahead to our email. So let me go to my email right now and show you. So here we go. This is the email. And as you can see, it is permanent. This is the account that will be deleted. Okay. And you can just go ahead and click on yes, delete account. And you do have 7 days, right? And after day 7, if you do not log back into this account, everything will be permanently deleted. So I did click on that and my account has been deleted. All right. Really that easy and simple.